Okay, so welcome to this presentation video of Wheel of Data. I will use the Wheel of Data web portal as a guide for this short presentation. So what is the idea? The idea is that of building a global community of researchers and students and business guys that work with data, that try to exploit data at their best, and do it daily and do it as their job. And the idea is to build a portal where all of them could come and write and contribute and share experiences about what they are doing with data, what they have achieved during their daily works, daily researches, daily work in companies, and so on. So you can see here the very first and the only now post on this blog, individual of data, where the idea is summarized. You see that Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, Skype, and so on are already set up, while they are empty now because the initiative is starting right now. You can see the QR code of this web page that is the home page of the web portal. You will also see this QR code everywhere in all pages and posts in the web portal, so that the URL of the page can be easily shared through a mobile device. And here is the main menu of the portal at now. We have the mission. I'll not read all of it obviously, but the mission is that to put together experiences, doubts, knowledge from all over the world and from people that have different extractions, let me say. So students, but also researchers, but also business guys that work with data. So this is the mission, and the mission is to involve them. The mission is to allow all of them to publish what they have to say, what they have to share, all the doubts that they have, all the questions that they have to make and suggestions that they need, with a global community of data scientists. Academy and business. So the web portal and the initiative in general is oriented both to students and researchers and to business guys. Students and researchers will make questions, will share their teaching material, will share the results of their research, will actively contribute to the development of the initiative, also with their suggestions and so on, and will also go completely off topic if they wish, if they have something to share that they consider to be useful, but that is not related to data. And business guys can do nearly the same things, but mostly oriented on business. So introduce your company, describe your products, tell your success stories, and so on. Also offer for job opportunities, and so on. So applying for an account, because which is the idea? The idea is that everyone that wishes to do that, everyone that wishes to contribute to the initiative, could have an account and post and publish his contributions to the web portal. So the aim, the purpose is to have thousands of authors that every day publish what they do, publish their questions, publish their solutions, and so on. Applying for an account is easy. You just have to write to apply at wheelofdata.today and tell something about you and provide possibly some link to your LinkedIn account or similar. Attach, if you wish, curriculum so that the team at Wheel of Data could understand something about you and could understand if you actually are eligible for a writer account for the web portal. And going on, obviously, the initiative is based on the voluntary offers from people. So we will also briefly try making some sort of crowdfunding, try registering on some platform of those, but it is also possible to make an offer that will be used for improving the quality of hosting services, for improving security of the application and other things like this, by some cloud services that are related to data science, such as IBM Watson, but not only. It is a choice that will be made when we will have enough money to make such a thing. Building a small board of professionals, because there are so many things that must be done for that such a community could effectively work day by day, month by month, year by year over the time. So a small board, a small team of professionals will be needed, and professionals must be paid. Supporting research activities, production of data, that is one of the major issues in studying data. Data often, too often, lacks, lack, and so on. And so we need to produce them, but producing data has a cost. And so we could use offers also for supporting this type of activities in some cases. Lovely business ideas, why not? Obviously, we are going very far in the future because for supporting businesses or for financing data productions and so on, a lot of money is needed, but we will never arrive there if we don't start. So we can start now. We can start now this way. At the bottom of the right column in the home page, you have a donate button that you can use for making an offer through PayPal to the initiative. The conference and the newsletter, okay, we will also deliver a newsletter to those interested with the most interesting articles of the month, and with offers that will arrive from businesses that are registered to the platform. The conference is also interesting because it's a very ambitious objective, but we would like to make a ubiquitous meeting on data exploitation and make it periodically. That is a conference where locations are unconventional locations and accommodations are unconventional accommodations. A proceeding book will be also produced and so on. It's just an idea now for building a conference that could house a lot of people, much more than those that are usually taking part to a conference and having a speech to a conference. So, an innovative idea of a conference based on posts published at Wheel of Data. So, authors post something, and that something not only is available on the website, but it is also automatically a candidate paper for the conference, for this uh, very particular type of conference that I am imaging, and that we will see if one day will become reality. So the team at Wheel of Data, is made by me and me and me. The initiative is starting right now, so I am the only person that is working on it in his spare time, because as you can see, I'm a PhD student at the University of Florence, and also a board member of a company that is NAP for SRL, that is a company engaged in data analysis, IoT, and so on. Interesting privacy policy, interesting because if you go through this document, you not only learn something about how we manage data, but you also understand what plugins we use and how we make things in general. I say we optimistically, as I have said, because now it's me that do everything, and this is the very first thing to be done, that is building a team of volunteers at first, at the beginning, and a team of professionals when the day will come when we will be able to pay somebody to do things on the platform and on the initiative. This is the brief introduction of the Wheel of Data initiative. It's not so brief, for the truth. I hoped to be able to contain it in just 5 minutes or similar, and it's a quarter that I'm speaking. But anyway, okay, so hope you will learn more about this, simply browsing the website and get involved and write to let me know about your impressions and to get involved as an author or as somebody that guides the initiative that is starting right now. So see you to the next video.